Hey everybody, Colin here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the headlight bulb in a 2013 to 2019 Ford Escape. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be changing the headlight bulbs in this 2019 Escape, and procedures will be similar for models from 2013 to 2019, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. On the back of the headlight assembly, behind the bulb you need to replace, carefully remove the rubber cap. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to disengage it. Push the tab on the socket to slip the old bulb out. Remove it from the assembly. When you handle your new bulb, be sure not to touch it with your bare fingers. Finger oil or grease makes a hot spot on the glass that can cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Insert the bulb carefully into the back of the assembly and turn it clockwise to secure it. Push the new headlight bulb into place in the socket. Replace the rubber cap at the back of the assembly, making sure it's seated properly all the way around. You should always replace headlight bulbs in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Turn your headlights on to make sure they're working properly, and close the hood. And that's it. Everything you need for this and other jobs is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.